Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Made Easy. My name is Jade.
And I'm Maya. Today we have a fun topic. We're going to talk about movies.
Yes, movies are great for practicing English because everyone has an opinion about them. It's an easy topic to talk about.
That's true. So, Jade, let's start simple. What's your favorite movie?
That's a hard question. I think my favorite movie is Finding Nemo. It's an animated movie about a fish.
Oh, I love that movie. Why do you like it?
Because the story is simple and the language is easy to understand. Also, it's funny and a little bit sad, too.
Good answer. For our listeners, did you hear the word animated? An animated movie is a cartoon movie, like Finding Nemo or Frozen.
Right. And sad means the opposite of happy. If a movie makes you cry, it's a sad movie.
Perfect. Okay, my turn. My favorite movie is Paddington. It's about a bear from Peru who moves to London.
I love that movie, too. It's very sweet.
Yes, sweet here doesn't mean sugar. It means kind and gentle. A sweet movie makes you feel warm inside.
Great explanation, Maya. So now let's talk about movie types. We call them genres.
Good idea. Let's list some common genres. Number 1, comedy. A comedy is a funny movie.
Number 2, action. Action movies have a lot of fighting, running, and explosions.
Number 3, romance. A romance movie is about love.
Number 4, horror. Horror movies are scary. They give you a fright.
And number 5, drama. Drama movies are serious and often emotional.
So, Maya, which genre do you like best?
I like comedy the most. I don't like horror movies at all. They're too scary for me.
Ha, same here. I prefer action movies. I like when there's a lot of excitement.
Okay, let's practice a simple conversation. Imagine you meet a friend and you want to talk about movies. Listen to this example.
Hey, did you watch any good movies this week?
Yes, I watched Paddington. It was really sweet.
Nice. What's it about?
It's about a bear who moves to London and lives with a family.
That sounds fun. I want to watch it too. Did you notice something, Maya? The questions were simple. Did you watch any good movies? And what's it about?
Yes, and the answers were simple too. This is a great way for beginners to start a real conversation.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about a very useful skill, describing a movie plot. Plot means the story of the movie, what happens.
Right. When we talk about the plot, we usually use the present tense, even if the movie is old. For example, in Finding Nemo, a father fish loses his son. He travels across the ocean to find him.
Good example. Notice the verbs loses, travels, finds, all present tense, even though the story already happened.
That's a helpful tip for our listeners. Movies are actually a great way to learn this grammar rule naturally.
Absolutely. Okay, let's give our listeners some practice questions. You can pause the podcast and answer these questions out loud, alone, or with a friend.
Question 1. What's your favorite movie?
Question 2. Who is your favorite actor or actress?
Question 3. Do you prefer watching movies at home or at the cinema?
Question 4. What was the last movie you watched?
And question 5. Is there a movie from your country that you would recommend to us?
Great questions. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Just try to speak, even with simple sentences.
That's the most important tip today. Speaking is more important than being perfect.
So true. Now, before we finish, let's review some new vocabulary from today's episode.
Number 1. Animated. A cartoon movie.
Number 2, genre. The type or category of a movie, like comedy or action.
Number 3. Plot. The story of the movie.
Number 4, sweet. Kind and gentle in this context.
And number 5. A fright. A sudden feeling of fear, like in horror movies.
Great. Now you have 5 new words to use today.
Try to use one of them in a sentence. Maybe tell a friend, I watched a really sweet movie last night.
I love that. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's episode of English Made Easy.
Thank you so much for listening. Please practice today's questions, and don't forget, speaking a little every day is better than studying a lot once a week.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.